Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. In the past, I have talked about the benefits of testosterone replacement therapy and importance of optimizing testosterone levels in your body. Today, I'm going to break down the benefits in 4 different sections. So the testosterone replacement therapy has 4 main benefits: sexual benefit, health benefit, appearance and body composition benefit, brain and mental health benefit. So sexual benefit: TRT improves sex drive, increases the sexual desire, and gives you a satisfying sex life. In men, it also improves your frequency of erections and give you stronger erections. Health benefit of TRT is it improves your insulin sensitivity, reduces systemic inflammation in your body, increases bone and mineral density, gives you a stronger bone, decreases in total cholesterol and triglyceride, perfect for somebody having high cholesterol. Appearance benefit and body composition benefit: TRT improves your body fat percentage, helps you lower your body fat and improves your lean muscle mass, decreases your waist size and lowers your abdominal fat, increases your lean muscle mass. Brain and mental health benefit: it improves your overall energy, improves your short-term and long-term memory, improves the symptoms of depression and anxiety, and improves your overall concentration. So these are the 4 main areas where testosterone replacement therapy is helpful and improves your overall well-being. If you have more questions, give us a call and subscribe for more videos.